Another old kitchen cabinet project. This time we're taking it into the hen house to make a little suite for the cats so the chickens won't take their food. Okay. Nomás jálala de abajo. Ew! There's a dead bird in here. This is why you're supposed to wear masks. Recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of space back there so only the cats can get in. I messed up. Tenía que haber puesto la puerta. Okay. Counter thing on the top. Okay. Es entre. No cabe. We found the door. Can't wait to go shower. Oh my gosh. Really bad spot. Dame la bolsa. Ábrelo otra vez. I just need to put a doorknob now, but I should be able to get in. Oh, there's the other one. Okay. Show them in. My love is Bye.